Apan tokin chan tha chan sung loya ka pe than tu kan byak mi kan bethian nam haisibika men thang that ko se menozong ma pan tok chan tha ka pyak cha kan lom tok ko u tam ke manakin bible cha athei dam mi tam pi nam ko lai nan chelo ke ma sunday school zong a ka liao mi ma pan tok chan ra ka pyak cha kan lom a thông thạo các bạn ở từ thông thể chim đình này theo thì chắc cái tí tắc cái chim du la lao cái thế na tên tu ni tha sa tu atimi bia pathian rian cho han mi si atimi kha kan nak cha fak pi na to ni chan nei ben cho ken ra tha tin kan ka thir ka si chun tu ni pathian bia shom mi ka du mi cho mrang hol daung ka chim lai cha faith zum nak and belief in God tuni biakan kan phak nak arwang is because of our faith in God and that we believe that He sent His Son to die for us. To begin, I want to go through the definition of faith. Zumnak asulam Bible songai termito Hebrew angan like that. Now faith is the assurance of things hoped for, the conviction of things not seen. Faith is believing in what we can't see. Zoom nak chu gamit kamhu kholo mi chung in zoom piang se. Thal kan dum hina cho atu ahong mi pathian a mu khomi pau cho got hero. Atu ahong mi pathian an ha in o thei khomi got hero. Nat ma mit in mu kholo na in an ha in atong o thei kholo mi chung in a zoom piang mi got hero. Faith is believing while we cannot see. And Google definition kan lakatun, it is a complete trust and hope in something. Bible chung kan zao atun mathaingan brok chung se sani boy pen hi an bia kholau pakhat kha dot lai I pakhat kha hot lai pakhat kha zumak tlak te cha atun na I pakhat kha zeya rel la lau. When I say complete trust, I mean it is 100%. Zakat in zakat zum se nen 50 velation ka ton lai 50% ka pathian sina ka ton tinga la. You either put your 100% trust in God or you put your 100% trust on earth. What will happen? If you put 50 and 50, if you put one leg one way, you can't enjoy the fun, the wonders of earth. But if you put one leg the other way, you cannot find the treasure and blessings of heaven. That is what is said when you have a complete trust in God. Ma asulam gan the chang cha khan zeronga zum nak tha ten fian how. Why do we need to understand faith? Why do we need to understand belief? Faith is the foundation of our spiritual health. In bentokan tatsunakan lakachon, faith is the pillars, the walls that build up our house. It protects us from the outside and keeps the roof above our head. If the foundation, the walls break down, everything collapses. Zumnak affect lo chun the charao atun nak le thazang kha atladi la aten then what that why is our spiritual health so important? Why should I care if my spiritual health is not that good? I have my physical health, I have my mental health, that's all good. But in for example, the spiritual health is the living room, all right? If the living room breaks down, everything seems normal. But then you have a giant hole in your house. Your kitchen is exposed. Your bedroom is exposed. If your bedroom and your kitchen exposed, wind flies in. Everything flies in. In that same sense, if your spiritual health is broken down, then things from your physical health will be affected because the outside world is now coming into your spiritual health. Like in living room kalai sika ka kalai hal chiata million lakhan ma arokha chun then in na khan se se then kitchen se se ma pun to kha a thalo mi an lu ti la ma pun to khan then tharau thon nak fek lo chon nem pum le in se se then lung tin lung in se se ma kha jong an rok di la ma rong a khan ngan zum nak ha fek te in kan chia how ma long so faith is our connection with God. Our key component to make sure our relationship with God is healthy is our faith. Zum nak cho pathian he kan pe tlai nak se ma pe tlai nak lo chun pathian he biar ran nak ti lo pathian he relationship ti lo ma tlu kan zum nak cho sung loi mi hurt mi se mi kapa bia kan ra bel mi se zum nak cho kama menung individual journey se zum nak a whole lot it is just zum nak. But my journey and how I get to my faith is completely different from how my dad, the pastor, gets to his faith. I talked about this with my dad. I saw a video saying if I had a last meal, I wouldn't get a $1,000 steak, I wouldn't get pizza. This man said I would get, it was Filipino food, I think it was adobo, rice, and some other like egg. The reason why he chose that is because not because of the money or because of the taste. It was because of the experience he had with that food. When he ate that food, it provided him a memory of when he ate it with his family, when he enjoyed it with his loved ones. That created a special place in his heart. In that same sense, our parents, our grandparents, they came to God because they were in Burma. They probably had a poorer lifestyle. They probably lived less fortunate than us. In that, they found faith in God. Mi tampi cha her nak songin pathianin kol ma pathianin kol chung zum nak amho kapa tim kapanya ka chimpiak pal nu kunu la pa cha nama cha koram chungin her nak nan ton tika khan ma chungin pathian dot nak le zum nak adam hu ko naten kama hak chi cha Australia chung chunga kan than rong khan ma pon dok her nak kan tong ti lo ma rong khan kama pathian he kan pe tlai nak cho atu pyak kan chung long sa khan biak kan phak nak le biak kan chung kan dan he very important se siang chungin chao kan rel mi chung se kan rel mi amena the longest memory athan leo America chunga sel nak le slavery kong marang ni menak an ukleo kong etimi sela ma chung menung ni entlom antimi cho pathian kan zum nak le atu menak kan uk nak he pakhat hem pe tlei nak nei ti an nei lo a pe tlei nak nei chun atu kan uk nak he a clouding sitang ma pen tok ro nak le ma pen tok ka zum nak le ka velei kan nun nak se men pe tlei nak den pen tok ro nak nei chun ma cha ti nuk tak mi se nama nun zum nak cho then everyday life nun to mi chung pau kan sung loi nak le importance anei le makha tatin don't remember how malong and atu sim ka du mi cho ma zum nak ha zetina kan than chola how do we build our faith kati bentok in pathian so kom hu kho mi salo pathian chan than thei kho mi salo ma rong a khan mi tam bi cho pathian kha thamo pathian kha tak thamo doubt an nei ma doubt cha ati nung nak mi se ma doubt chung den lu te ka chan marang you go down the rabbit hole then tla chin la naten chim me kal mi chen the ko la naten muscle then to the khan it rips and then it grows back stronger. Muscle, gym kal te ka khan the muscle kha a rock naten khan then pum ni khan fact down khan a tone down sir ma ban do khan zum nak doubt chung nen tlak tika khan zum nak nen tlai chi khoi nen if you persevere rang ha kan ti chen it will become stronger, thicker and better than earlier. Moses chen Jisu chen kan zo chen ani chu pathian athon nak le pathian khwa her ma chun nak amit buk amit in hu snaten zum lo ma pen to kan ma pen to kan city lo ai kani chu pathian athon nak le a khwa her to nak cha kam hu kho thi lo ma rong khai kama cha test her da mi cha chang not the mat test can take hold on chuan nak tam bi chokola ya mat chuan nak kong ka chim ga du Hebrew angen lekhat am Hebrew and without faith it is impossible to please him for he who comes to God must believe that he is and that he is a reward of those who seek him zum nak lo en chun pathian khalung lom ter kho salo pathian sinarami bo chu an zum hau I ama cho azumi pa cha chun thcho pe tu sa ha ma kha khale su mi sam han men la la thank you thong ti simi ta tak ma tok sa zum nak cho velai zum nak thcho cho velai he thwa kam humi tang kanak in khan thwa atam to kri phung tluk piangen pathum a he panga kan the chamis ko poi pa chu na lung chung di la kan bol chen lo nang ma film na kharit tha ma pan tuk pathian ai bol chen kho mi le pathian ai le chen kho mi chu men velai se van chung se menung a sound big and se Bible chung minung kan zo chen David, Job, Joseph, those became kings of kings, men above men, not because of their own greatness, but because of their faith, their reliance, and their trust in God. Not only that, Jesus says in the Bible, Jesus says, if you have the faith of a mustard seed, you can tell a mountain to jump in the sea. Zum nak am he te zong long nei zong a khan tlang pi kha ti chung a khan vapil na ti kho mat lu khan zum nak a thong naten ma luk zum nak tom belte long the kan har chen zero hom han tlang cho tlang kha ti chung vapil ti khomi kan um chung lo ma rong che doubt se le ka ti pen to kan doubt at te khomi cho pathian haya lunglom nak a mi se they earn favor in the eyes of the Lord. Don't knock like upon jungle. Amani minute some to him how to that Maha Katipa around to minute hang out on Kimasa South. Okay, don't knock at him could do me to sacrifices of faith. But Hen Zoom can do what on Genka tak how mile the price we have to pay. And the price we have to pay, can subscription bent up $20 a month. So, ma sacrifice so nun nak tiang back in sacrifice so how Matthew 10:22. You'll be hated by everyone because of me, but the one who stands firm to the end will be saved. You will be hated. You will be despised. Atu valen nak kamhu ko kau. Anti piang. Human rights. We want this right. We want same-sex marriage, abortion. And if you stand against us, you are hateful. You are our enemy. Makha valay huning satang. Ma chung in ati mi bolzo akanati chen van chung nun nak cham hu ko ti la lao. Naten Matthew arel ton mi la hak sen ra to mi. Sunday bentuk na kanral atha how ma hwat nak le menung ni kan ma chunga kri fan si chung ka hwat nak anemi kan te kho chen thchon nak tampi kam ko lai Bible cha ko phone cha kai cha Take up the shield of faith, which you can extinguish all the flaming arrows of the evil one. Bible ni petian ni zum nak amhuning chun lai holen zum po and shield. It is the one that protects you with the flying arrows, the evil, the destructive power. Your faith is what protects you. If your faith is weak, all that evil, all that destructive power will be placed upon you. So the stronger your faith is, the stronger that you can protect yourself against the destructiveness of earth. Mi atwai te long ko mi se sitan ka ti mi pa sola aten mi nula pa cha se nam athania ko mi cha nula pa cha rian tam pi ne ko la pastor evangelist doctor pan to ko la natin nula pa specifically cha chun rian athia mi cha father nei mi chung khan nama den thei mi zum nak la pathian dot nak nan thei mi kha nan fa la chung in khan na nan chim hao ma kha nan rian se kai cha kai miak ngai ka pa ni ka hak se te in pathian dot nak chem pathian dot nak thai natin korot mi cha ma nula pa dang kum swa chinte ma pan dok pathian dot nak thein hamo pathian zum nak fekanen hamo korotha nun falen ha van chung angkai kho nak cho nama the pressure and the job is on you. Father ne te khan ma khan rian father ne pa khan pathian ni rian en pek min se pathian ni rian en sia pek mi selo tam tling te ton ko ti ko ma ka chim ko se le bo panik se nak pek ko se